To run diagnostics of your Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open your phone manager app. Next step is to click on those three dots in the top right corner of the screen, and then we can enter the diagnostics. After that, you'll be able to select which things you want to diagnose and then run the diagnostics right here. You will need to allow any permissions that will pop up, and then it will take, depending on which options you selected, it will take a different time to load. So make sure to always have your phone unlocked during this process and follow any instructions that will show on the screen. So for example, I have to press 3 fingers onto my screen to see if it actually works, and it does. Yep, 3 fingers, and there's 4 fingers and 5 fingers, so it works fine. We can then move to the next. So let's check again, because it asks specifically for 2 fingers. And then it will go as long as you've tested and diagnosed everything about your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.